Conventional compact design appeal, unconventional hybrid performance, both define the 2019 Honda Insight, the newest entrant to the automaker's ever-growing roster of electrified vehicles. Available trims include the base LX, EX, and top-of-the-line Touring. All new for 2019, the Insight returns after a 5-year hiatus. Positioned between the Civic and the Accord, the 5-passenger sedan affords exceptional small car efficiency, courtesy of Honda's third-generation 2-motor hybrid system, while presenting an expressly upmarket approach to style, comforts, and conveniences. Though it essentially rides on a Civic platform, the Insight trades its siblings' youthful appeal for a more sophisticated riding experience, enhanced by revised springs and dampers. Standard exterior equipment includes LED illumination front and rear, with available LED fog lights, power-heated side mirrors, and aluminum alloy wheels. Inside the 5-passenger Insight, comfort is not compromised by the placement of hybrid system components, yielding a roomy 97.6 cubic feet of cabin space for occupants. The previous 2-tiered instrument panel is replaced by a wide, more graceful 7-inch digital instrument cluster. Infotainment on the base LX is managed via a 5-inch LCD system, while upper trims get an 8-inch display audio touchscreen system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone integration and available satellite-link navigation. Convenient amenities found on the EX and Touring include a 60/40 split-folding rear seat and a smart entry system that prevents the key fob from being accidentally locked in the vehicle. The Touring features leather seats and a one-touch power moonroof. The innovative 2-motor hybrid system in the Insight integrates a 129 horsepower electric motor with a 107 horsepower 1.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine to send a net 151 horsepower to the front wheels through a continuously variable transmission. Electric energy is stored in a lithium-ion battery. Here are the estimates for fuel economy. Standard safety features on the Insight include a 3-view multi-angle rear-view camera and the Honda Sensing suite of safety technologies, such as collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. The Insight is backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. Hybrid components are covered by an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Putting practicality and refinement at the forefront of its all-new 2019 design, the innovative Honda Insight Hybrid comes of age in an era where alternative modes of mobility are reshaping the automotive landscape.